Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate policy management with American Family, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start automating policy management with American Family, first, visit the American Family Insurance website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the policy management section on the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. Identify the specific tasks you want to automate, such as policy updates or claims tracking. Explore available automation tools or software integrated with American Family. Consider options like email notifications or automatic reminders for policy renewals. Set up your preferences for each automated task, ensuring they align with your needs. Test the automation features by running a trial on a sample policy. Monitor the results to ensure the automation works as intended. Make adjustments as necessary based on the feedback received. Utilize any reporting tools to analyze the effectiveness of your automation. Stay updated on new features or tools introduced by American Family that could enhance your automation process. Regularly review and refine your automated tasks for efficiency. Engage with customer support if you encounter any challenges during setup. Document your process for future reference and to assist others in your team. Continue to monitor industry trends in policy management automation for further improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.